Ever wanted to edit videos like a pro without sitting through hours of boring tutorials? Well, grab your coffee or maybe some instant noodles, because in the next 10 minutes, we're going to edit a full video in CapCut together, step by step. By the end, you'll know how to cut, trim, add music, effects, captions, and export your masterpiece, even if you've never touched an editing program before. Let's jump right in. First things first, open your CapCut. Now click Create a New Project. All right, here we are inside CapCut. On the left, this is your media panel. Upload footage, photos, audio, whatever you want. In the middle, we've got the player panel. This is your live preview to see every change in real time. And on the right, check out the details panel. Here you get all the info about your project. Click Modify to rename your project. I'm calling mine Space. You can also choose where to save your project. Super handy. Pro tip, if you're making videos for YouTube Shorts or TikTok, change your aspect ratio to 9:16. For regular YouTube videos, go with 16:9. You can also tweak resolution, frame rate, and more in this panel. Once you're done, hit save, and boom, your project settings are locked in. This bar at the bottom, that's your timeline, where all the editing magic happens. Today, we're mainly working with these buttons here and some up top. After you upload your clips, some new options pop up. We'll unlock a few of those too. All right, time to upload your footage. Click this upload icon at the top. Or hit the import button below it. Select your files and click import. Both work, so choose your favorite. I've uploaded a voiceover and a video to work on. Now drag your clips into the timeline, or hit the plus sign next to the timeline and add them there. Flexibility is key. Quick hack. Wherever your playhead is positioned, that's where your new clip will be inserted when you import. So if you want a clip at the start, just move your playhead there first. Once clips are in the timeline, more buttons and captions appear here and up top. We'll explore those as we go. Okay, clips are in the timeline. Now for the fun stuff. Click the expand icon here to reveal more buttons. First up, selection tool. Grab and move clips around with this. Next, split tool. Cut your clip right where your playhead sits. Your clip is now 2 parts. Try this. Place your playhead where you want to cut, then click split. Boom! Your clip is now 2 parts. Made a mistake? No worries. Hit the undo icon or press Shift plus Z, PC, Command plus Z, Mac. Check out select leftward and select rightward. These let you select everything left or right of your playhead, making moving or deleting chunks super easy. Moving on, the lock track icon. Lock a track to protect it while you edit others. No accidental changes allowed. Want a cleaner workspace? Use hide track to hide it or mute track to silence audio temporarily.
Space isn't just strange, it's downright bizarre.
Click the 3 dots for extra options. Adjust track height to see more detail or toggle the audio waveform. These work on any track you want in your timeline. Let's talk deleting. To delete everything left of your playhead, click this icon or press Q. To delete everything right, click this icon or press W. The trash icon deletes just the selected clip. Now the mark icon, think of this as your sticky note in the timeline. Click it to drop a marker on your clip. Right-click the marker to delete it, delete all markers, or edit it. Watch this. I'm adding a note to remind myself to insert another clip here, even changing its color to stand out. Hover over the marker and the note pops up. Handy, right? That's a solid intro to the beginner tools. We'll get into more advanced features in the next video. Now let's trim our voiceover to match our clip length. Click this icon or simply press W on your keyboard to cut the extra part. Next, let's split our main clip into 3 parts. Place your playhead, split, repeat, just like we practiced. This lets us add animations, transitions, and effects to each section separately. Let's add some sauce to our project. Click the audio button up top, find background music you like, and drag it into your timeline. Trim it to fit your clip perfectly. Set your music volume to -15 and boost your voiceover volume to +5. This balances things out nicely. Time to add animation to our first clip. Select the clip, go to animation in the upper right, and pick your favorite effect. I'm loving this one. Just click and bam, animation applied. Next up, transitions, the secret to smooth scene changes. Click the transition button, pick your favorite, and add one between each clip. See how naturally one clip flows into the next? That's pro-level smoothness. Now effects. Click the effect button. Choose one you like and add it to your clip. I'm going with this effect. Applying it across the entire clip. You can tweak filters, speed, and stickers here too. Make it yours. We're cooking now. Let's add captions to make your video pop. Go to the captions button, then click generate. CapCut automatically creates captions for you. Magic. Animate those captions next. Select a caption, click animation in the upper right, and pick one you like. I'm going with this smooth one.
Gemstone.
Hit basic to change caption colors, size, background, or anything else to match your style.
Space isn't just strange, it's downright bizarre. Here are 5 weird facts that'll make you question the universe itself.
And that's a wrap. Today you got familiar with CapCut's interface, learned how to cut, trim, delete, undo, redo, and add markers on the timeline. Added background music, effects, and transitions, generated automatic captions, animated clips and captions, and adjusted audio volumes for music and voiceover. Ready to export? Hit the export button in the upper right, tweak your project details if you want, then hit export again down here. Done and dusted. You just mastered the basics to edit an entire video like a pro. Next time, we'll dive deeper into CapCut's advanced features. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to stay tuned. Thanks for watching and stay safe.